Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line fall sign. I went in first and base coated it in the color Fluff and let that dry. And now I'm going in with terracotta and painting my pumpkin. All the paint I use in this video will be Dixie Belle chalk paint, which you can purchase online at buildacross.com. I'm going in now with Plum Crazy for my flowers. And this is a deep red color by Dixie Belle, and I'm going in now with mint julep for all my little leaves, and I'm also using mint julep for my lettering up top. Next, I'm going to go in and begin to add the details to my pumpkins. I'll go in with chocolate and paint my stem and outline all of the little ridges on my pumpkin. And I'll actually use this chocolate color to go in and just outline everything. And then I'm going to highlight all of the little chocolate accents with the color putty and using a number 4 round. And then I'm going to outline my lettering with a little bit of black. And then that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.